everybody, it's Donna. Thanks so much for stopping by. As always, I hope this video finds you well. So I am sitting here in my bedroom that I am so in love with that I finished recently. One of the two projects that I finished after much procrastination. I will put the link for my bathroom video in the description. If you haven't already watched it, please stop by and watch that video and let me know what you think about that. I'd appreciate it. So we are here in my bedroom, and it's been a long time coming. So just a little backstory. I've lived here almost 9 years, and the bedroom has been the same for about that time, 9 years. I've changed up, like, painted my furniture, the dresser and my bed frame, and did some changes there, but the walls have not been changed in the 9 years that I moved in here. Immediately when I moved in, I had painters paint the walls kind of like a cafe au lait, like a two-tone. So two of the walls were a little darker, two were a little lighter, and then I did an amazing cherry blossom painting that you'll see in the video. And it was kind of bittersweet letting that go, but I knew it was time to really freshen up my room, lighten it up, and just, you know, like I say, freshen it up a bit. So you'll see all the changes that I made, and you'll see some of the things that I upcycled, recycled. I'm all about renew, reuse, recycle. And let's see, what else in there? I'll list where I purchased all of the products that I did buy, like my new curtains, the rods. What else did I actually buy? Oh, some prints that I got. And yeah, some of the other stuff. Oh, like the wall stuff behind me, I will list all of that, and the bedspread as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, please, and hit that notification bell so every time I do upload, you are notified. And you can follow me on Instagram at csamgram61. So yeah, let's get on with the video. It's going to start off showing how it was, of course, and then what I did to it. So I hope you like it as much as I do. Actually, I love it, but that's just me, right? After almost 9 years. So thank you so much for stopping by again. And yeah, here is my bedroom makeover. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will stop back in later to see what you think. Bye. Yay! Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for sticking it out. It really helps me and helps my channel. So if there's something in there that you think somebody else would enjoy or benefit from, do share. Share, share, share. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. It helps my channel. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so every time I upload, you are notified, and follow me on Instagram at csamgram61. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye, you guys.